Hello, it's Abigail of Ground and Grow Yoga, and today I have a short sequence for you to do at your desk or in your car. Obviously, if you're in your car, make sure you're also paying attention to your driving. But they're great exercises that you can do if your job is an office job or if you're a teacher or another profession where you spend a lot of time looking down at your computer or down at books, and you need to strengthen your neck and release any tension that builds up there. So you do not need any props for this class. You also don't even need a full 10 minutes. So let's hop in our chairs and get started. Come to sit comfortably in your chair. Place your hands wherever they are comfortable on your lap and allow your eyes to close. We're going to set an intention for today's practice. It can be whatever you want it to be. Some suggestions would be, I am relaxed. I am at peace with my body. I am at peace with myself. I can do this. So with your intention in mind, we're going to bring the shoulders up by the ears and then around to the back. Up to the ears, around to the back. Up and down. Up and back. Holding them up by your ears, we're going to exhale and release them. Inhale, bring them up. Exhale, release. Inhale, up. Exhale, release. Inhale, up. Exhale, release. One more time. And now we're going to bring the shoulders forward. So up by the ears and then forward. Up and forward. Up and down. Up and down. Feeling any tension leave the shoulders. Exhale them down. Inhale up by your ears. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. And again, exhale. Now we're going to take our back and bring it towards our chair and then arch away from the chair. So towards and away, letting the shoulders round and then bringing the shoulders back. Rounding and bringing the chest forward. Round and forward. Round. Hold it here, chin to chest. Bring the hands behind the head. Don't pull down on the head, but you're bringing a little weight into the back of your neck through your hands. Breathing here. Bring the chest and head forward. Lift the chin slightly, leaving the hands on the back of the neck. You're going to feel a stretch through your chest and your armpit area. Release the hands down. We're going to inhale, bring the right hand up, left hand comes down to meet it. You're mirroring me here. Your fingers do not need to touch. You are just efforting them towards each other. So imagine your fingers connected. Release and switch to the other side. Left hand up, right hand down. Breathing. Make sure you breathe through all of these exercises. And release. Bring the right arm over, holding it gently. Don't pull the arm across, just allow it to come across, and then hold the wrist to keep it steady. Take the extended arm up. Hold on behind your back to the opposite side of the chair and then stretch towards your other arm. So creating a full side stretch where we're actually holding onto the chair to allow ourselves to come over even more with our chest still open. Release, and we're going to switch to the other side. So holding the wrist, keep that shoulder down. Don't let it come up by your ears. Don't pull on your arm either. Then the hand comes over, That arm comes up and we're stretching the other direction, getting a nice stretch through the side body, keeping the chest nice and open, keeping a lot of length through the spine. Release. We're going to bring the elbow up by the ears, hold it with the opposite hand. Really press your head into your arm. And then that arm is going to hold your head. You're going to allow your other hand to extend out to the side. Fingers lever up, and you're going to feel intense stretch through the side of your neck. Don't pull your head down, just gently have your fingers there. Release into the other side. Elbow comes up, hold it, press your head into your elbow. Release. That hand stays on the head. Bring the opposite arm down, fingers lever towards your face. Getting a nice stretch through the side of the neck. Release and turn so you can see we're going to stick our chin out and then bring it in. So chin comes out and then tuck the chin in. So out and create like a double chin, out and in. So this is building strength in the neck and also showing you where your head should be, where it would be if it was up straight. So hold it in either direction, playing here, seeing how it feels to sit up nice and straight. Now we're going to bring the head in semicircles or U's, nice and slow. You don't want to move too quickly through the neck. We also don't want to do a complete circle and throw our head back. So we're just doing little half circles or U's. And then stay on one side and try moving your head or your chin up and down like you were shaking your head, but you're at an angle, and you're going to feel into areas where it's tight, and then we'll switch to the other side. Same thing, playing around, seeing where you feel the deepest stretch, loosening any kinks in your neck. Hands come up and out to a cactus or goalpost shape, and then we're going to bring them down behind our back. You could interlace your fingers around your chair depending what kind of chair you're in. Chin comes to your chest. Release the hands back to your lap. And think of your intention again. Thank you for taking this time. Namaste. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like, as well as comment and subscribe. Subscribers allow me to continue to make free content. Also, make sure to ring the bell so that you know when I have a new video come out. And if you want more content, check out these videos, as well as look in the links below for my social media accounts to see what I'm up to. Have a wonderful day. Namaste.